Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to change your screen resolution and display size or scale settings on Ubuntu. Incorrect display layouts cause blurry text or giant windows, but tweaking these scale and pixel rules optimizes your monitor workspace visibility instantly. First, open your application dash tray, search for Settings, and click directly on the icon to launch the control panel. Scroll down the primary options menu sidebar layout on the left and click directly on Displays. Locate the primary configuration section block labeled Resolution sitting right near the middle of the dashboard view. Click on the Resolution drop-down selection box row to open your monitor's supported pixel dimensions index layout. Select your preferred layout configuration such as 1920 by 1080 and click Apply in the upper corner. Now, if your screen text still looks way too small or far away, look directly below at the configuration row explicitly labeled Scale. Toggle on the choice selection bubble corresponding to your preferred percentage, such as 100% or 200%, to instantly expand user interface elements. Once you choose a scaling factor, click the prominent Apply button tool to test out your newly updated display parameters. A secondary prompt confirmation box overlay will pop up asking if you want to keep these changes before a 10-second countdown expires. Click directly on the confirmation text button labeled Keep Changes to securely lock in your crisp, newly optimized workspace layout dimensions. And that's it! I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.